How is all? Today we have some nice easy sausage rolls that anybody can make. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so how do you make a sausage roll? Well, you push it down a hill. Okay, so pinch of sage, pinch of thyme, pinch of cayenne pepper, sprinkle of paprika. We have an egg, we have 5 sausages, and we have some puff pastry, and we have some English mustard if you want. You don't need to use that. Okay, so I'm just going to cut a little strip off here. It's about 5 inches wide. I'm going to use about 5 sausages out of this packet. I'm going to slice the skin off, just pull the meat out. I'm going to do that with them all. Okay, so now we'll get our pastry back. And we'll put the meat on there, just try and get it out into a long roll as best you can. Doesn't matter, this is only quick and easy. So now we get our herbs, and we're only going to put a sprinkle on. Just a sprinkle of cayenne there, a little sprinkle of thyme, a little sprinkle of sage, and then we put some paprika on. And if you want to put a little bit of English mustard on, you can. It won't be as hot as it is out of the jar. After it's been cooking for about 30 minutes, it'll be a lot smoother and it's really tasty. So try it on a little bit, what I'm doing there, just a little bit. Okay, so we're going to beat an egg in a little bowl. We're going to brush the edges with the egg, just lightly, not too much. Don't worry about any of the mustard there or anything. This is only a nice quick job. And now we just fold it over as best you can. Okay, so I'm going to press the edges down with a fork. Then I'm going to brush some more egg onto it, not too much, just a little bit. Then I'm going to just pinch the edges in. Now we have our oven preheated to 180C, it's about 356F. I'm going to put it in for about 30 to 35 minutes. And when we're done, we should have something nice and crispy golden like that. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to cut it up into a few pieces there. Just a few, about an inch, inch and a half wide. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye, and take it easy.